Okay, it is the end of February 2018 here at Survival on Purpose Worldwide headquarters, and the dogs are out. It's also Apocabox time. So we take a look at the February Apocabox. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. I'm sorry for the dogs, I really am. Anyway, the folks at Apocabox were kind enough to send me the February Apocabox, and you know, I gotta say, I've said it, other people have said it. Some of these subscription boxes are hit and miss. Apocabox, in my opinion, has definitely been hit and miss. Some of them I've really liked, and some of them have been completely a strikeout, in my opinion. But my goal in reviewing any of these subscription boxes is just to show you what's in them, so hopefully you can make an informed decision about whether or not they're right for you. I think you're smart enough to do that, and I'm not in any way trying to tell you what I think you should do. But I've also said, in my opinion, the Apocabox is not necessarily so much about getting a stated value of stuff for a discount. It's more about just an interesting box and some cool stuff. And again, sometimes they've done a really good job with that, and other times I'm thinking like, man, they must have been really stretching for this one. So I'll let you decide what you think about this one. Let me take you down the old stump top, and we'll show you what's in here. Okay, so here is the February Apocabox. Let's just take a look and see what's in here. As a matter of fact, let me just set this out of the way here so that we don't clutter up the old stump top here. We already got a shadow over half of it. I'll try to keep this stuff in the light. So basically, this time we got a little Apocabox Chronicle Mass Exodus edition. So we got a little bit of a kind of a list of what's in here, and then some pictures of different knife projects the subscribers have made. And then there's actually a start of a little story here, a story in installments written by Jake Wild, Apocabox Chronicles. I don't know if that Jake Wild is a real person, or maybe that's like the maybe that's a nom de plume. I don't know. But anyway, so let's just see what's in here this month. Basically, it's a mass exodus is kind of the theme for the month. So first thing is called a, so we got Go Cubes. And these are basically, these are coffee, chewable coffee. So I might try one of these in a minute. I don't want to open it up. Chewable coffee is what it is, by Newt Robox. So it's actually got caffeine and some other nootropics in it. So there's that. If you're stuck away and you got to have something, need some caffeine. Then there's a Mora 511, which is always a cool thing. Just a Mora knife, nice 511 knife, just a standard Mora, pretty nice knife there. Next thing is there's an Exodus hammer. What the heck is that? Okay, so it's a little car escape tool. It's got a hammer and a seatbelt cutter on it, and basically and a little clip that you can put it on your mount it in your vehicle with. I think you can mount it on your seatbelt, and no, it's just got screws. So you mount it somewhere on your dash or whatever, and so it's got a little, helps you get out of a car to escape. Then there is a concealable anti-theft Exodus Necker wallet. I don't know let's see which one it is. Let's see. I guess this is probably it. So it's a neck wallet that you can kind of hide this down behind your shirt or whatever. And let's take a look at it. Yeah, and it's got just a little cord with a cord lock on it, and you can put your stuff in it and hide it down there or whatever. Just keep people from pickpocketing it, I guess, out of your pocket. So we'll put that there. Then there's an Exodus stowaway backpack. I'm going to assume this is it here. Open this thing up, and it kind of zips up. Looks like one of those jackets that goes in its own pocket, but I guess you can pop this thing out of there, and you got a little backpack. Let's see if we can find some. I'm assuming if it's a backpack, it's got some shoulder straps on it. Ah, it's inside out. Okay. How do we fix that? So I guess we got to open the zippers up and turn it right side out, like so. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Ever so stealthy. You know, nothing fancy, but it does have a couple of shoulder straps on it, pocket on the side here, and on both sides, like for a small water bottle or something. And then you can stash your stuff in here. So it would give you a way to keep a, sorry, there's a school bus. Gives you a way to keep it like some sort of pack to carry stuff in other than your pockets, but you can fold it up and put it in a pocket probably. So there's that Exodus backpack. Two more things this month. There is a last ditch ankle stash, which basically is here. Let's see if I can open this thing up. And it's so just just a pouch like so, with a couple of straps to go around your ankles, around your legs. Let's just see how it works. Put my old foot up here. Can you see that? Ooh, look at them legs. Them are white legs right there. So if we put this on our ankle like so, it's got Velcro here. Another one here like so. Maybe I got scrawny ankles. And this gives you, you put stuff in it, kind of help hide your stuff. So there's that. Nothing too fancy here. And then finally, last but not least, there's a little pocket guide, a Creek pocket field guide, how to survive being stranded in your vehicle. And it's got some photographs and it's actually got some pretty good information in it. So there's that. This is probably my favorite thing in the whole pack. I don't know. I'm going to try these Go Cubes out. I'll let you know how they are on a different video. I'm going to take these with me to the Okefenokee next month when we go camping with the Boy Scouts, and we'll try them out there. So there's that. That's the Apocabox February 2018. This thing costs somewhere in the neighborhood of 43 bucks, I think, every other month. I'll let you decide. Okay, well, that was a quick look at the February 2018 Apocabox. And like I said, some of them have been hit or miss. In my opinion, this is definitely not a home run. I don't know what, I mean, the theme is kind of like mass exodus. They're trying to give you things that that you could be used for if you had to, maybe leave your home or whatever, just kind of a disaster emergency survival situation. But I don't know, it just seemed like it did not seem like a very coherent mix of things for that theme. You got a knife, a couple of different pouches. I kind of like the little stowable backpack. I think I like that concept. I know a lot of people make those. They're pretty cool because you can have something, you can keep it in a small area, but if you do need a backpack, you need to put something on and use your hands, whatever you can. Hopefully I like the chewable coffee. We'll see that. And I like the little book because I like their books, but and who doesn't like Morris, right? But altogether, when you put it together, it just doesn't seem like, didn't have a big wow factor for me this month. So there's that. Take it with a grain of salt. Maybe if you don't have any of this stuff, it might be the greatest thing since peanut butter for you. But I see my role in this whole review process is just kind of helping you to make an informed decision. So hopefully I've done so. I really appreciate the support. Once again, thanks to the folks at Apocabox for sending me these boxes every other month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there. If you're not subscribed, you can click right there and subscribe, and you can get notified when I put out those videos if you click that little bell thing after you subscribe. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.